To make a quick and easy biscuit or pancake mix that tastes just like Bisquick, start by sifting 6 cups, 600 grams of all-purpose flour into a large mixing bowl. Add 3 tablespoons, 41 grams of baking soda, and 1 tablespoon, 17 grams of salt. Sift the mixture 2 more times to blend the ingredients thoroughly and break up any large lumps of flour. Next, cut up 1 cup, 225 grams of shortening into cubes, and cut it into the mixture with a pastry blender. Keep blending the shortening into the flour mix until it has a crumbly consistency. Store your copycat Bisquick mix in an airtight container and keep it in a cool, dark place. It should stay fresh for about 3 months. Use it to make any of your favorite Bisquick recipes, including biscuits, cookies, and pancakes.